Restoration. Mark 1:40-41. A leper came to him, begging him, and kneeling, he said to him, "If you choose, you can make me clean." Moved with pity, Jesus stretched out his hand and touched him and said to him, "I do choose. Be made clean." Mark 1:42-41. Leviticus 14 talks about the purification rite for leprosy. It is the priest who will certify the cleansing. On spiritual level, the various illnesses that Jesus cured are symbols of sin. Leprosy is like mortal sin. It is cured by God's forgiveness. Sin separates us from God. We become self-centered, demanding, and unholy. We can learn from the leper that Jesus is the answer for our sins, who can forgive and cure us.